Want to know how to install the Python plugin in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application and make sure you have installed it. If you haven't, we have also created a video on how to install NetBeans, so make sure to watch it. So, once you've done all of that, here you should be on this menu right here. And at the top, you should be seeing your navigation bar. So on the navigation bar, you can just simply select Tools, and once you've selected Tools, here you can see Plugins right above Options. Now, since you want to install the Python plugin, here just simply head towards Available Plugins, or you can just simply search for it right here, or just scroll down until you see Python. So for me, it's right here. Just simply select the checkbox and then select Install right here. And that's it. You should be good to go. Just simply select Next and then select Accept Terms and Conditions and then select Install. Now your plugin will be installed and you should be ready to use. And once everything is done, it should be under Install right here and you should be seeing Python. So if you want to activate it, just simply select Python 1 and then select Activate right here. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.